Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install a productivity and office suited app named LibreOffice. So it's completely free office suite with Writer, Calc, Impress and more options are available. So how you can simply download it, very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for LibreOffice over here. Click on the LibreOffice download and then you're going to get the website from libreoffice.org. You can simply click on this website and from here you can simply select 26.2.3 Windows x86 You can simply download it. If you have different version for Windows, you can simply select on ARM64. So right now I'm going to click on this Windows 64, click on the download option. It's about 355 MB. It will take some minutes to complete. For that you have to keep your patience. And as you can see right now, the LibreOffice is rightly installed, rightly downloaded. Now if you click on the folder icon, if you click on it 2 times to the setup wizard, then you can simply minimize all of your background tab. Then you can simply click on the next option over the setup wizard, select the typical one, click next and simply click on install. Simple. Click yes for the permission and after that click on OK. And as you can see right now, installation wizard completed. Now if you click on the finish one, and now they are looking for you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to LibreOffice take effect. So you have to just simply restart your PC. That can help you to set up it completely. So right now I'm not going to show you the restart, but I will must recommend you to simply restart and open the LibreOffice.